Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and have fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw radish. It's vegetables and let's go jump to the paper together. Alright guys, at the beginning I need you to make a circle like okay, you guys can follow me. So from here, so I'm start from here, alright? From here you can go to something like this all the way like this, and then like this guys. Right, once you have this shape, then you continue to make the roots here. So from here you go all the way going down like this and like this, right? Then from here like this, and then you could connect to like this. Okay, yes, this one is the shape of the radish, and the next one we're going to make the leaves on the top here. So I need you to follow me again. So start from here, you guys can follow me from here. So like this, right? Alright, like this. After that you can go from the bottom here. So from here you can go like this. Okay, then like this guys. Right, once you have this, then you continue to make this part go here. So basically you just from here you go here, right? And then after that from here connect directly to this, right? First leaf done, then you go to the second leaf. So from here you guys can follow me like this. Alright, then go here again. Okay, then go here again. Right, then like this guys. So you hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So from here add another one like this. Okay, then after that we're going to the last leaf. So I suggest you start from here. Alright, going up like this. Okay, after that you might add another one like this, then like this and like this. Okay guys, once you have this, then I suggest you to bring this to the life. So I give a facial here. So at the beginning I will give this like this, circle like this, also here, and circle like this. Right, good. Hope you guys can follow until this stage. Then I will give the eyes here. So just give another circle inside. So here also like, yes, basically like this character looking to this side, right? So just give a black color all the way like this. Okay, that's great. Right, then again here. All right, okay guys, once you have this, then you just give a little bit smiley mud here like this. Alright, perfect guys. Okay guys, I will coloring this and you guys can follow the video, and let's go. Alright guys, here is the final result of radish. Hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys, thank you so much.